For those Toronto Maple Leafs players who are having a hard time getting up in the morning, introducing the Joe Bowen alarm clock. The only alarm clock that screams the Leafs players' names at them until they wake up. Geared for such players as
Kasperi Kapanen, Austin Matthews, Mitch Marner, Tyson Berry, Pierre Engel.
The only name that the Joe Bowen alarm clock doesn't feature is
John Tavares,
because he's probably been up since 4 a.m. Joe Bowen's screaming voice will allow you to have a
good night.
and an even better morning.
Do you believe this? Do you believe it?
The Joe Bowen Maple Leafs alarm clock. We tried to make a Mike Babb clock, but it didn't motivate anyone.